Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, I want to start off by letting you know that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. But I also want to warn you that if you're doing this for this specific purpose, most phones have a Google account signed in, and after the reset you'll be forced to verify one of the two, either the Google account or the screen lock. And if you don't know the screen lock, obviously that leaves you with just a single option, being the Google account. If you don't know both of them for some reason, your device basically becomes a very expensive brick because you can't finish the setup, therefore you cannot use the device. So just be wary of that. Now, if you have a screen lock or don't, you would basically begin by pressing power button and volume up, and then swiping right here on the top, swipe right to power off, like so. And the device obviously will turn off. When it does, hold these two buttons again, power and volume up. So this time around you're gonna hold them, and you wanna let go of the power button when you see the VIVO logo. This just ensures that when Fastboot mode shows up and you would let go that way, it won't accept reboot as a command, which sometimes happens. So in any case, if you do it a little bit too slowly and you have Fastboot mode show up when you're letting go, sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes, you will see this mode just instantly vanish. If you do, start holding these buttons again and just try to let go of that power button when you see the VIVO logo. Anyway, in this mode, we're gonna press volume down to select recovery mode, and now we're gonna press power button to confirm that recovery mode. Next, while we are in the recovery mode, you want to select clear data and then select clear all data. This gets you a message right here, clear all data. All data on this device will be cleared via secure deletion at the physical level, including important data such as contacts, albums, and SMS messages. Data cannot be recovered if cleared. Proceed with caution. Okay, so I'm gonna just confirm it. So yeah, this is basically a factory reset. It just removes all the data from your device. Now, once this is finished, which only takes a little bit of time, as you can see right here, should be right about done. Come on, anytime now. There we go. So once it's finished, we're gonna select return, back, and then restart. And okay. And this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is continuing the reset, it might take the device just a little bit longer to turn back on than it normally does. But this shouldn't take any longer than minute, tops 2 minutes. Now, once it's finished doing whatever it's doing in the background, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.